Welcome to Tech Wave 65, innovation for new tech. We've all been there. You've got a critical deadline, you hit print, and that happens. The blinking lights. The cryptic error code you'd need a PhD to decipher. The soul-crushing realization that the one machine you need to just work has decided to take an unscheduled holiday. The printer is a device we love to hate, a piece of tech that feels like it was designed with a special button for maximum frustration. But what if your printer could tell someone it was about to break and get help before you even knew there was a problem? Because that's exactly what's happening. Your HP printer is sending data to the cloud, where a powerful AI is watching for the invisible signs of failure. In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain on the technical magic that lets HP see into your printer's future. The story of the modern printer is a story of pure frustration. We buy them, we plug them in, and for a little while, life is good. But under the hood, a clock is ticking. Mechanical parts are wearing down, ink nozzles are slowly degrading, and a complex system of gears and rollers is getting closer to its breaking point. When it finally gives up, it's always at the worst possible moment. A critical report for your boss, a concert ticket for a show that starts in an hour, a school project due tomorrow morning. The consequences are very real. Missed deadlines, frantic calls to IT, expensive emergency repairs, and that desperate, last-minute trip to the office supply store, praying they have the absurdly expensive ink cartridge you need. This reactive cycle of breakdown and repair has been the norm for decades. We wait for the machine to fail, then we scramble to fix it. It's inefficient, costly, and infuriating. For businesses with whole fleets of printers, this downtime isn't just annoying, it's a huge drain on productivity, with IT departments spending countless hours on paper jams and error codes. But HP decided to flip this entire model on its head. They asked a simple but profound question. What if we didn't have to wait for the printer to tell us it's broken? What if it could tell us it's about to be broken? The answer lies in a constant stream of data that your printer is sending, minute by minute, to a massive digital brain in the cloud. Section 1. The secret data stream. Okay, I know what you're thinking. My printer is secretly sending data to HP. That sounds a little creepy. And you're not wrong to be skeptical. In our hyper-connected world, the line between helpful service and privacy invasion can feel incredibly thin. The idea of your personal printer, sitting right there in your home office, reporting its activities back to a corporate server feels like an overreach. We have to acknowledge the creepy versus cool tightrope this technology is walking. But before we jump to conclusions, let's look at what's actually being sent. HP isn't interested in the content of your documents. The AI doesn't care if you're printing a business proposal or a recipe for banana bread. The data it's collecting is purely operational. Think of it less like a wiretap and more like a continuous, automated health checkup for your machine. This whole data stream is made possible by the Internet of Things, or IoT. Your modern, connected printer is packed with tiny sensors, each monitoring a specific part of its mechanical and electrical health. These sensors are the unsung heroes of the operation. They're the digital nerve endings of the machine, constantly feeling its pulse. They track a huge array of variables: the internal temperature, voltage fluctuations from the power supply, the precise number of pages printed, the vibration levels of its motors, and how often certain error codes pop up. For ink and toner, the monitoring is even more granular. The AI isn't just waiting for a cartridge to run dry. It's analyzing your rate of consumption, Looking for anomalies? Has your ink usage suddenly spiked? Is the flow rate irregular, suggesting a clog might be forming in a nozzle? It even tracks environmental factors that could affect performance. All of this data gets bundled up and sent over your internet connection to HP's cloud servers. This happens for millions of printers worldwide, creating a colossal library of performance data. This constant flow of information is the raw fuel for the AI engine at the heart of this system. It's the secret that allows HP to go from being reactive to being predictive. The goal isn't to spy on you. It's to spot the subtle, almost imperceptible signs of decay long before they become a problem you have to deal with. Section 2. How it works. The AI magic. So, HP is sitting on this mountain of data pouring in from printers all over the world. What's next? This is where the real magic happens, and it's all powered by a branch of AI called machine learning. Here's an analogy. Imagine a doctor who has treated millions of patients for the exact same condition. Over time, that doctor would get incredibly good at spotting the earliest, most subtle symptoms. They'd notice a slight change in breathing or a faint tremor that a less experienced doctor might miss, and they'd know, from seeing it thousands of times, that it's a sign of a bigger issue on the horizon. HP's eye is that doctor, and the printers are its patients. The machine learning algorithms have been trained on historical data from countless printers. They have analyzed the exact sequence of events, the specific sensor readings, the series of minor error codes, the slight increase in motor vibration, that led to every type of failure imaginable. A fuser unit overheating, a paper feed roller wearing out, a print head clogging. The AI has seen it all before, thousands of times. It's constantly comparing the real-time data streaming from your printer to these historical patterns of failure. It's looking to see if your printer's digital heartbeat is becoming irregular. For example, the AI might detect a tiny, insignificant increase in the internal temperature every time you print a large job. To you, the printer works fine. But the AI, checking this against its vast database, recognizes a pattern. It knows that this specific temperature creep, combined with the printer's age and page count, means there's a high probability the fuser unit will fail within the next couple of weeks. This process uses a few key AI techniques. First is anomaly detection. The AI establishes a baseline for what normal looks like for your specific printer model and your usage. Then, it watches for any deviation, no matter how small. Second is pattern recognition. The algorithms are designed to spot the complex sequences of events that precede a failure. Think of it like a detective piecing together clues. A slight increase in vibration, plus a 2% rise in one type of error, plus a tiny drop in print speed might mean nothing in isolation. But together, they form a signature, the unique fingerprint of an impending breakdown. The AI learns and refines these signatures over time. The more data it gets, the better it gets at predicting the future. This isn't guesswork. It's a statistical, evidence-based forecast. The AI can predict not only that a part will fail, but which part will fail and often when, allowing for maintenance to be scheduled with surgical precision. Section 3. The payoff. Predictive in action. This might sound futuristic, but it's happening right now, mostly in business environments where printer downtime is a critical problem. The real-world result of all this data and AI is a system that turns IT management from a reactive firefighting drill into a proactive, strategic operation. The flagship for this is HP's Workforce Experience Platform, or WXP. This is an AI-driven dashboard that lets IT admins monitor the health of their entire fleet of devices, including PCs and printers. Here's how it plays out. Let's say a company has 500 HP printers. Through the WXP dashboard, the IT department has a real-time overview of every single device. The AI is silently analyzing data from all 500 printers. Suddenly, it flags printer number 347 in accounting. The system has detected that the fuser's heating element is taking slightly longer to warm up and has noticed a small increase in minor paper jam errors. Before anyone in accounting even notices a problem, the AI acts. It automatically generates a support ticket. But this isn't a vague, "printer broken" ticket. It's a highly specific alert. Printer number 347 shows early signs of fuser degradation. Predicted failure in 12-15 days. Part number M477 fuser required. The system can then automatically dispatch a technician who shows up with the correct replacement part already in hand. They can schedule the repair for after hours or a weekend, ensuring zero disruption to the accounting department. This is the core benefit. Downtime is dramatically reduced, sometimes eliminated entirely. Problems get solved before they even become problems. This AI system also revolutionizes supply management. Instead of you manually checking toner, the AI analyzes usage patterns to predict exactly when a printer will run out of ink and can automatically order more. New supplies arrive just before they're needed, preventing both shortages and the expensive habit of stockpiling cartridges. And the tech keeps getting smarter. Newer versions of HP Print AI, rolling out through late 2024 and 2025, bring more intelligence to the user. Features like Perfect Output use AI to automatically reformat web pages, removing ads and awkward layouts so everything fits perfectly. For businesses, HP Scan AI can recognize if you're scanning an invoice or a purchase order and automatically extract key information, with full availability for this feature planned for spring 2026. This all represents a fundamental shift. The printer is no longer a dumb box that just follows orders. It's an intelligent, self-aware device in a larger ecosystem, able to monitor its own health and call for help before it's too late. Section 4. The future is self-healing. What we're seeing with HP is just the beginning. The next frontier in AI-powered maintenance is the digital twin. Imagine a perfect virtual replica of your physical printer that exists in the cloud, updated in real time with all its sensor data. Engineers can use this virtual model to run simulations, stress testing the digital twin to see which parts will wear out first, or testing software updates in a virtual environment before deploying them to the real world. This allows for even more accurate predictions and a deeper understanding of how these machines degrade over time. We're also on the cusp of printers with self-repairing capabilities. For minor issues like a partially clogged ink nozzle, the AI won't just diagnose the problem, it will try to fix it automatically. It might trigger a specific cleaning cycle or adjust the ink flow pressure, all without any human intervention. The AI is also becoming more personalized. New platforms use AI to make recommendations, suggesting the best device for an employee based on their actual usage. It can even track employee sentiment with built-in surveys to link satisfaction directly to device performance, identifying trends like slow boot times that are causing frustration. And of course, there's security. AI algorithms can monitor for unusual behavior, like someone suddenly printing hundreds of confidential documents in the middle of the night, and trigger an alert to prevent a potential data breach. It's an intelligent watchdog, constantly looking for activity that deviates from the norm. This is the vision of a smart, connected, and self-maintaining office. The goal is to reach a state of near zero false predictions and create devices that can perform many repairs on their own. So, back to the big question. Is it creepy, or is it cool? The idea of your printer reporting back to HP is, on its face, a little unsettling. It touches on our valid concerns about data privacy and corporate oversight. But when you look behind the curtain, you see a system designed not to invade your privacy, but to eliminate one of the most universal frustrations of modern life: the broken printer. What HP has built is a powerful example of using AI and IoT for real-world benefits. By shifting from a reactive model of repair to a proactive one, they are saving businesses millions in downtime and making technology more reliable and less of a headache. This is more than just smart printers. It's a blueprint for the future of all complex devices. Imagine a world where your car schedules its own service before a part fails, or your air conditioner calls for a technician because it senses its coolant is low. That's the world this technology is building. The printer, long the butt of office jokes, is finally getting a brain. And by talking to the cloud, it's becoming smarter and more reliable than ever. It's a quiet revolution, happening one data packet at a time. But what do you think? Does the convenience of a printer that never unexpectedly breaks outweigh the privacy concerns? Is this tech creepy or cool? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this look behind the tech curtain, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech and real talk from TechWave 65. Thanks for watching.